In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively manage and interact with the volume indicator on a chart. This short and simple guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you're well equipped with the skills needed to optimize your data visualization for better analysis. Let's get started with the first step. To begin, you'll need to access the chart you're working with. Whether you're using a dedicated software platform, a web-based tool, or integrated chart functions in your trading or analytical software, the initial step is the same. Navigate to your chart. This is where all the relevant data visualizations and indicators that you've set up so far are displayed. Once you're viewing your chart, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. It's important to know where different tools and settings are located so you can access them quickly. Now, we move on to the next part, locating the volume indicator. The volume indicator is a key tool for traders and analysts alike. It provides crucial information about the amount of an asset traded over a given time period, helping you gauge market activity and liquidity. Typically, the volume indicator appears beneath your main price chart, often in the form of a bar graph. If you're having trouble spotting it, look for a section that's usually aligned horizontally with the timeline of your main chart. The bars represent the volume over specified intervals, reflecting how active trading has been. Different platforms might have different icons and labels, so just be patient while you get accustomed to your specific interface. Once you've pinpointed the volume indicator, it's time to learn how to control its visibility. Many platforms have an eye icon or a similar visibility toggle feature that allows you to hide or unhide these indicators. This is incredibly helpful when you want a clutter-free view of your primary data or when you need to look at the volume trade data specifically. By clicking this icon, you can seamlessly switch the display of the volume indicator to your preference. Being able to toggle visibility is not just a mundane part of using charts, it's a critical skill that enhances how you interpret data. It helps in focusing on specific trends without being overwhelmed, aids in comparative analysis by isolating variable factors, and generally sharpens your decision-making process when strategizing or forecasting. So, there you have it. A straightforward process on controlling your volume indicator settings, enhancing your ability to analyze data more intuitively and effectively. Developing confidence in navigating and customizing your charts can greatly impact the insights you gather and, ultimately, the actions you take. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more informative guides like these to sharpen your analytical skills.